koutou, it's Rahina the 7th of March. Ko Grace ia, she is Grace.
And more today, Winton School, ko Sarah ia, she is Sarah. Welcome to the 400th episode of the N.E.W.S news.
A big mihi nui to all the walkers, runners and cyclists who made their way around Winton yesterday.
Out and about wearing red and representing Winton School. Ka pai.
Let's start the week with Tidy Class Awards for Week 5. A pizza drum roll please for
Rooms 1 and 12. Congratulations and keep up the good work, koutou. I can smell barbecue chicken pizza.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is heke, which is te reo for all and discade.
As in heke, which is te reo for get down.
Let's talk about book fair, koutou.
Bring your cash, buy up large, open every day this week after school until 3:30. Guess what?
What?
There's a colouring and competition for everyone. Get your forms from the office, and Friday is dress up day, and the theme is monsters.
Rings.
On to health and safety news. For the UV forecast for today is very high from 12:30 until 3:30.
And protection is required from 10:30. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And ice packs. If you use an ice pack, make sure the ice pack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Still on health and safety news. Bikes and scooters, everyone must walk them within the school grounds.
Be mindful of the juniors and all the little kids, especially after school.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read in all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all the equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunchtime.
Ka pai. And a reminder that those sandpit toys go back into the sandpit and the tyres go in the pit too. Kia ora.
Birthday news. Ethan Ellis and Hannah Johnson both turned 12 today.
And Seamus McIntosh in room 9 turns 9.
Rafano ki koutou. Happy birthday, you guys.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere and stay sharp, Winton School.